take out a map, play pin the tail on the donkey. And the winner is, we're gonna go check out Charlie's Gulch, just because it sounded cool actually. Let's rock. This should take us to Charlie's Gulch. Did you see that big ass snake in the middle of the road? That fucker must have been 6 feet long. Damn. Glad I didn't nail him. Shit. I'm gonna go back and make sure that snake's okay and not in the middle of the road. We can always come back this way. So here we are, deep on the east side, Hamilton Heights. Turned into a dirt road, and I stopped because I freaking love cows. Hi cows. Hi cows. Hey buddies. Man, that's a big sucker over there. Look at that. Hi. You're all staring at me. Every last one of you is staring at me. That's funny. Thanks. Okay, bye buddies. Gotta go. Boy, you can hear those suckers mooing, can't you? Gopher. You see the gopher? That's 2 animals on this trip so far. This guy here with the trailer is having trouble, so we'll just pull over and enjoy the scenery. How's that? Don't want to block somebody's private road here. This ought to do it. This is looking to the east. Looks like we've got private property beyond that point right there with 2 roads, one that goes out that way. Roxy. And then that's where we came from. That's looking back to the west. We're far out Hamilton Heights. We're far out. Yeah, get it? We're far out. End of the line. But this looks interesting. Well, let's park and check it out. Horse trailers only on this side of parking lot. Okay. When do you ever get to see a sign like that? Horse trailers only. Imagine that in the middle of San Francisco. Okay. This'll work. Well, let's go check this place out. get lucky. Find a snake or a big lizard or something. And that right there is horse shit. There's a lot of it on this trail. Well, this is more uphill walking than I had hoped for, but there's a neat rock up there I want a picture of. Let's see if I have enough energy to get myself on top of that rock somehow for a better view. Oh, look at that. We are in the middle of nowhere. Ain't it great? Oh yeah, reminds me of being in Bali on the beaches. But there's no beach and no water here. Well, this thing certainly is useless as a weapon, but it's fun, and I'm happy that I found it. So judging by these trails, I have a newfound respect for those who have a dirt bike or a Ruckus or a Zuma or something that I could be out here riding on instead of walking. That's one thumbs down for the S-Max. Is great for highways when you need them, but man, not for these trails, that's for sure. Great walk though. That was fun. Headed back down to Roxy and we can ride out of here. Hi. Oh, am I in the way? Oh, I have to go in that way. Good times. What a gorgeous day. Gorgeous day for the journey. Never-ending journey. Back to paved road. Yeah. What do you think? Go home, lunch break, quick vape, unload this video, rinse and repeat.